AM.CO.za has been operational in South Africa since 2013. Our main warehouse is in Jet Park, Boksburg. We stock a large variety of vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, CNC routers, fiber laser markers, heat presses, label cutters, large format printers, flatbed printers, and so much more. We have a professional dispatch team that ensures timely deliveries. And our sales team is dedicated to courteous and efficient services, ensuring client satisfaction. All our machines are backed by an extensive list of spare parts that are always in stock. The backbone of the company is our technical support team, which, with local savvy savoir-faire, provides remote assistance for everyday challenges, as well as call-outs to anywhere in South Africa and neighboring countries. AM.CO.za also has a Cape Town branch, situated in Montague Gardens, that offers clients a strong managerial, sales and technical support structure. There is also a dedicated training and demonstration center, which is of great help to our clients. At AM.CO.za, we believe that achievement matters and are eager to be of assistance to you. So for more information, please call General Inquiries on 060 600 6000. Thank you for watching.